coming in tomorrow's update, and we will be getting so much stuff, and it will be crazy. But I will not only explain what will be coming in the tomorrow update, but I will be sharing some leaks. So stay to the end and like and sub. And if you want more videos, then on today's video must be 5 likes, and then I will do more videos and I will be more active. So let me just tell you what will be coming to tomorrow's update. So tomorrow's update, we will be getting emotes, like you can, if you don't have a voice chat, then you can like do some react and something like that, and if you, and that will be super cool. And I don't know how it will work, so I'm really excited for that. And then they will be adding so that you can friend people in game, not on meta, but on game, right on game, and then you can see when he's online and wait, and when is he offline, and when is he playing AG, and that will be really cool. And I'm will gonna be testing that in AG. So up here on the screen is my username, meta. Oh yeah, username, and this is a chance when you can friend me, and I will accept every friend request. So if you're lucky, and only 3 people I will accept on meta. So if you'll be lucky, then you'll, I don't know, and then we will be getting really weird thing that you can hatch chickens, which is really like weird. And on right screen right now, there's, you can see a leak, and you can see a huge chicken on the nest or what, and yeah, and that will be really weird, but I don't know what he will do. So I'm really excited for that too. And then we'll be getting the full line map will return, but a flooded version, and for loaded version, I think it will be like it will be like a full line map, but it will be like in water. Because right now you can see there water right over there, which is cool. So maybe it will be cool, and yeah. And the Stonehenge will be back, and it will be returning on Monday. And I think I don't know, and so yeah, and maybe a new, but maybe new minigame. I don't know, but it will be really cool. So yeah, and the water map will be closing, which is sad because the Mosa and Octopus was here like for months, which is not too bad, but not too much, and we would be missing the water map. And guys, if you made it over here, I will show you a little secret enag, and that's like nobody knows about that, maybe. So if you go over full spawn over here, then you can see a huge crack, and then in the crack you can see the train station, when there will be like a snake train, and then it will give you the Octopia. And guys, this is the end, and if you made it over here, then you're a big goat, you're a huge goat, and you're a fan. And check out my other videos, and make sure you like and sub, and make sure you turn on the notification, and you can see when I will post a video again. So make sure you sub, and yes, and I think that's all, and peace.